Hello there, gamers. Welcome to another video. It's called Man versus Machine. The sound of medic line. I don't know what that meant, but whatever. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, today we will be reacting to this video. And I really do hope this video will be pretty good or whatnot, so I hope this might be good. So anyways, everyone, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give this one a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified, and that will be all. So anyway, I hope that you guys really do enjoy this. So anyways, my name is Cowboy Engi. So anyway, here we go, and let's react to this video starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. And don't forget to subscribe to the original person, the original creator, and support the original video while you're at it on this one. And support our red team and our black team if you want to become a true gamer on this video. So anyway, be a true gamer and always be a true gamer. So anyway, here we go. Alrighty. Hmm. Oh, yep, that's gonna hurt right in the eyeball. Pretty much. Ouch. You guys better run. Ooh. Wow. Oh no. Looks like here comes another first experience while the heavy gets back to being charged. You know, when he gets back to be fully healed. Interesting. Well, here we go for this interesting psychology of this math, I guess. But not really, it's different. Hmm, nice. Yeah-oh, here they come. Hmm, well, here they go. I think it will help, Heavy. It will always will help. And good job for an idea to use a shield. Nice. Very nice. Hmm. No wonder how that was good. But yeah, I think that was pretty good. Nicely done. Nice. Alright. Alright. Anyways, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm going to give this one a like, comment, and subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, and pretty much. So don't forget to subscribe to that creator who made this video right there, and that was amazing. So anyways, gamers, I might as well get going, and Cowboy Engi will see you for the next video, and hey, thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy it. So we'll see you again next time, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.